my hair don't do this when I touch it? It don't do that. I've always wondered how people do it. Yeah. Y'all, she blow dried my hair and like the blow dryer costs $500, but she gonna hook me up. Y'all see that? My edges really just don't respect me either, but it's okay. I'm so tired. It doesn't make any sense how tired I am. That's about to go in my head. We just got to the location. Y'all, we trying to find our location. Look at our photographer. Look at him.
If we don't make it, come find us.
If we don't make it, come find us.
Full workout.
Yeah, like, I don't know.
Y'all down all day.
I don't know where we're going, y'all, but it's giving me Fulawa. It's giving me village. Oda kayo no Rondi, Katore Makuning, Anya Maka Fulawa. Like, it's giving Fulawa. Y'all okay? Guys, I cannot make this up. Do y'all hear this?
Huh? Back up. Go back.
Oh no.
Go back? Don't come this way.
I don't even know how to get out.
So go out.
Yeah.
Stay here though.
You fell?
Is he in the water?
You got bad? Are you in the water? Oh Lord. He's in water? Okay, can somebody get the box from him?
Bitch, get the pieces.
Fuck you.
Get the boxes from him. Can somebody get the boxes from him?
Right.
Oh. Are you good? Yo, the bees? Are you okay?
Don't go this way.
Don't go that way. Okay. Yo, somebody gonna have to lead the way, because one thing about me, I'm not gonna be the first one to go. So here you go.
I don't even know where I'm going.
And I'm blind, so. Ooh.
God, no.
Gee. Okay, yeah. Okay. All right, y'all. It's making sense. It wasn't making sense before
But it's making sense.
now, because we was like,
I see it.
sir, what's going on? But now we see the vision. Look at this. It makes sense now. Y'all see the teamwork? Y'all see the teamwork?
They really don't know me. They be my blood.
You can just kind of. Niggas ain't taking shit. I gave them 50 a piece of some shit. I had the doctor because he saw them latest shit. I'm in the trust.
No leads and I'm on house arrest, I can't even leave. Locked up in the pen, but I ain't pee. The water dripping off me, Uncle Fiend. I love my Uncle E, I Uncle B.
Can I take my photo with you?